Grand Haven Hotel.
Good morning. Welcome to Grand Haven Hotel. How may I assist you? Good morning. We have a reservation under the name of Aranya Cantumayor. Let's check the person's arrival. Yes, we have your system for a deluxe suite for 2 nights.
Wow, this place is beautiful.
Ma'am, take by now and please have your ID and your registration. Everything's confirmed, ma'am. Allow me to introduce our butler, Mr. Alocada. He will escort you to the campus.
Good morning, Miss Aranya and Miss Diego. Welcome to the Grand Haven Hotel. May I assist you in your luggage?
Oh yes, please. Thank you.
My pleasure, ma'am. This way, please. Come to you, sir. Please allow me to explain some amenities. Our minibar is fully stocked and complimentary waters and coffee are available. And if you need laundry service or pick-up calls, just dial 123.
Everything looks amazing. I feel like royalty already.
Room to make the guest feel special.
Thank you, Alocada. You're very attentive.
It's an honor, ma'am. If you require anything like dinner reservation or city tours, I'll be happy to assist you.
Hi, ma'am. Just wanted to compliment you. Alocada has been very professional. Thank you so much. We will be valuable today.
He even helped us find a great restaurant here.
Miss Aranya, Miss Lobo, your addition to the restaurant.
Thank you, Alocada.
You really take care of everything.
That's our goal, ma'am, to make the guests feel special.
In hospitality management, true service is not just about meeting expectations. It's about anticipating needs, creating comfort, and leaving guests with lasting memories. Because at the heart of hospitality is genuine care.